Your CPAP is supposed to help you sleep and feel better, but without proper cleaning, it can become a breeding ground for germs and bacteria, leading to nasty illnesses and a whole lot of yuck. Unfortunately, most cleaning methods just don't cut it. Cleaners that use UVC radiation can't clean surfaces that are blocked from the light. Seriously? And they require you to disassemble your CPAP piece by piece. Oh, and even then, they don't clean your hose, which basically defeats the whole purpose. If you want a faster, easier, more effective way to clean your CPAP equipment, you need SoClean. SoClean uses the power of activated oxygen to kill 99.9% of CPAP germs and bacteria. When used properly, ozone or activated oxygen is a safe and natural cleaning method that's extremely effective at killing germs and bacteria, which is why it's used for water purification and cleaning hospital equipment. And while some CPAP cleaners that use activated oxygen don't generate enough of it to kill bacteria and can discharge activated oxygen into the air, with SoClean's patented design, all activated oxygen is safely contained and passed through a converter until it reverts back to the air we breathe. And after a one-time setup, SoClean does it all automatically. No disassembly, no harsh chemicals,